Hello everyone, now we show you our best selling door handle, JM708 series. Here is 304 standard steel material. Power expansion for conventional configuration. It can reach 8K brightness. JM708 has different models. This one is JM708V. This one is JM708W. We can set laser logo and customize different length and hole distance. And the door fit we can choose iron, aluminum, brass insert. This is aluminum and this is brass. If you are interested, you can contact us.